Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope that you are doing great. So, let's continue Unit 14, the Bext and the Pest. Now please open page 94, snapshot, the world we live in. In this lesson, we're gonna know different facts. First part, France is the most popular country to visit. It had about 78 million visitors a year. France is the most popular. Okay, so what is the meaning of popular is the same meaning of famous. Popular, famous. It's okay. Is our the most watched World Cup held in the United States in 1994. It had an average attendance of 70,000 fans a day. The most watched World Cup held in the United States in 1994. It had an average attendance. What is the meaning of attendance? Attendance, this is the act of being present. If you're present at any place, so you attend now. Okay? The largest clock is in Mecca, Saudi Arabia. Each of its four faces is 43 meters, about 141 feet. The largest clock is in Mecca, Saudi Arabia. Each of its four faces, it contains four faces already. Each one of them is 43 meters. Okay? The busiest airport in the world is Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport in Atlanta, Georgia, United States. It had more than 88 million passengers a year. What is the meaning of passengers? Passengers, they are travelers. Travelers. Okay? Then Avatar is the most popular movie ever. It has made more than $2.4 billion. All of us know Avatar movie. Okay? It's the most popular. Do you remember popular? What is the meaning of popular? Okay, again, it's famous. Then the longest non-stop flight is from New York to Singapore. It's 18.5 hours long. The longest non-stop. What is the meaning of non-stop? It's without stopping. This is a direct flight. It's from New York to Singapore. It's 18.5 hours long. Then Antarctica is the largest desert on the earth at 40 million square kilometers, 5.4 million square miles. It's also the coldest, windiest continent. Wow. It's okay. And this is Antarctica. Then the highest price for a book at an auction is $11.5 million for Birds of America by John Adable. The highest price for a book. It was about birds. Wow. For a book at an auction. Do you know what the meaning of auction? This is public sale. Public sale. Okay? Is $11.5 million. Great. Then the strongest animal is the rhinoceros beetle. It can lift 850 times its own weight. Wow, what is the rhinoceros beetle? This is a picture. It can lift. Do you know the meaning of lift? Lift is like carry, raise. Okay? What do you see in this picture? Maybe mountains, roads, forests, sea or lake. Okay, finally this is place called Mount Cook. Mount Cook. So please listen to the conversation, distances and measurements, and pay attention. Okay?
Page 95,
Now,
Exercise
let's start.
9, Conversation.
Page 95.
Distances
Exercise
and
9.
measurements.
Conversation.
Part A.
Distances
Listen and
and
practice.
measurements. Part A.
I'm going to Australia
Listen
next
and
year.
practice.
Aren't you from Australia,
I'm going
Beth?
to Australia next
Actually,
year.
I'm from New
Aren't you
Zealand.
from Australia, Beth?
Oh, I didn't know
Actually, I'm
that.
from New Zealand.
So what's it like there?
I
Oh,
didn't
it's
know that.
beautiful.
So
There
what's
are
it
lots
like
of
there?
farms,
Oh,
and it's very
beautiful.
mountainous.
There are
Really?
lots of farms.
How
and
high
it's
are the
very
mountains?
mountainous.
Well,
Really?
the highest one is
How
Mount
high are the
Cook.
mountains?
It's about
Well, the highest one
3,800
is
meters
Mount
high.
Cook. It's
Wow.
about 3,800
So how far
meters
is New
high.
Zealand from
Wow.
Australia?
So
Well,
how far
I
is
live
New
in
Zealand
Auckland,
from
and
Australia?
Auckland is about
Well,
2,000
I live in
kilometers
Auckland,
from Sydney.
and Auckland is
Maybe
about
I should visit you
2,000
next year, too.
kilometers from Sydney. Maybe I should visit you next year too.
Okay. Now, let's searching for the difficult vocab, like mountainous. Mountainous. What is the meaning of this? This is a place contains a lot of mountains. Contains a lot of mountains. Okay? Then, questions with how. Question with how. Here we have how far, how big, how high, how deep, how long, how hot, how cold. Let's start by how far. How far. At the first, we use how far to ask about distance. Distance between two places. Two places. Okay? So, if we want to know the distance between two places, two countries, we must ask by how far. This is like how far is Cairo from Alexandria. Okay? Then, how big? How big? We can use it to ask about the surface of land. Surface of land. Okay? So, this is like how big is Egypt? How big is Egypt? Okay? Then, how high? How high? If we have or if we see a mountain, okay, a mountain, and we want to know its height, we must ask by how high. How high? Okay, this is like how high is Everest mountain. Okay, then deep. How deep? How deep? This is to ask about depth. What is the meaning of depth? This is the distance from the top to the bottom of something, the sea, something like this. The distance from the top to the bottom. Okay? Then how long? How long? Okay? And this is, we can use that for length. For length. Okay? This is like how long is the Mississippi River? How long is the Mississippi River? Then how hot? How hot? This is to ask about temperature. To ask about temperature. And how cold? How cold? Also, this is for temperatures. Now let's have some examples. Listen to this audio
Page
clip and pay
96,
attention.
Exercise 10,
Page
Grammar
96.
Focus.
Exercise
Questions
10.
with how.
Grammar focus.
How far is
Questions
New
with
Zealand
how.
from Australia?
It's
How
about
far is New
2,000
Zealand from
kilometers,
Australia? It's about
1,200
2,000
miles.
kilometers, 1,200
How big is Singapore?
miles.
It's
How
710
big
square
is Singapore?
kilometers,
It's
274
710
square miles.
kilometers,
How high
274
is Mount
square
Cook?
miles.
It's 3,740
Cook?
meters high,
It's
12,250 feet.
meters high, 12,250
How deep is the Grand Canyon?
It's about
How deep is the Grand
1,900
Canyon?
meters deep.
It's about
6,250
meters
feet.
deep. 6,250
How long is the Mississippi
feet.
River?
It's about
long is the Mississippi River?
5,970 kilometers
It's about
long,
5,970
3,710 miles. How hot is
3,710
Auckland in the
miles.
summer?
It gets up to
How
about
hot is
23
Auckland in the
degrees
summer?
Celsius,
It gets up to
74
about
degrees
23
Fahrenheit.
Celsius, 74
How cold is
degrees
it in the winter?
Fahrenheit.
It goes down to about 10
cold is it
degrees
in the winter?
Celsius,
It goes
50
down
degrees
to about 10
Fahrenheit.
degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay, here, how far is New Zealand from Australia? So here we have two places. So it's about 2,000 kilometers. Then how big is Singapore? How big is Singapore? It's 710 square kilometers. Square kilometers or square miles. Then how high? How high is Mount Cook? It's 3,740 meters high. Meters high. How high? Meters high. Then how deep is the Grand Canyon? It's about 1,900 meters deep. How deep? Meters deep. Okay? Then how long is the Mississippi River? It's about 5,970 kilometers long. Long. How long? Kilometers or miles long. Then how hot is Auckland in the summer? How hot? How hot is Auckland in the summer? It's get up. Get up. How hot? So it's get up. Okay, but what about how cold? It goes down. It goes down. It's okay. Then write the questions to these answers. The first answer is Niagara Falls is 52 meters, 170 feet high. What do you think? What is the question? Okay. How high is Niagara Falls? Number 2, California is about 4,970 square kilometers. Or 1,055,973 square miles. Square kilometers and square miles. So, what is the question? Great. How big is California? How big is California? The Nile is 6,670 kilometers, 4,145 miles long. Long. Then, how long is the Nile? How long is the Nile? Then, Osaka is about 400 kilometers to 250 miles from Tokyo. So, Osaka and Tokyo. What do you think? Here we have two places. Yes. How far is Osaka from Tokyo? How far is Osaka from Tokyo? Mexico City gets up to about 28 degrees Celsius, 82 degrees Fahrenheit in the spring. Gets up. So, how hot is Mexico City in the spring? Now, let's start reading. Things you can do to help the environment. Look at the pictures which show environmental problems, which show solutions. Here we have 4 pictures. The first 2 pictures are about cars, and the second 2 pictures are about energy. Cars are getting bigger. SUVs, large. Okay, we're gonna see a picture about this. Okay. Then, truck-like vehicles are now the most popular cars in the United States. Bigger vehicles burn more gas and increase air pollution. So try to walk, bicycle, or use public transportation. If you drive a car, keep it tuned up. Keep it tuned up. Do you know what is the meaning of tuned up? This is to prepare or set an engine so that it runs smoothly and as well as possible. Okay? This saves gas and reduces pollution. From this, we can know that the problem in the first picture or the picture number 1 and the solution in picture number 2. Then energy. The biggest use of home energy is for heating and cooling, so turn up your air conditioner and turn down the heat, especially at night. Replace regular light bulbs. So what is the light bulbs? Okay, this is called bulbs that use less energy. Okay, and remember to turn lights off. Okay, now let's see. SUVs, large. It's sports utility vehicle. And truck-like vehicle. This one. And finally, light bulb. Yes, this lamp. Okay. The products. Each American throws away about 1.8 kilograms per pound of garbage every day. Most of it goes into landfills. Reduce waste before you buy by asking yourself, do I need this? Is it something I can only use once? Buy products that you can use over and over again, and try to buy products made from recycled materials. Let's start to see what is the meaning of garbage. What is the meaning of garbage? Okay, this is the same meaning of rubbish. Okay, then what is the meaning of landfills? In this picture, this is called landfills. Okay. When we go to buy anything, we must asking ourselves that, do we need this? Is it something I can only use once? It's better to buy something we can use over and over. What is the meaning of over and over? So this is something we can use more than one time. We can use it a lot. So we can say can use over and over. And try to buy products made from recycled materials. Okay, then from picture number 5 and number 6, we can say that the problem in number 5 and the solution in number 6. And finally, water. Showers use a lot of water in 1 week. A typical American family uses as much water as a person drinks in 3 years. Buy a special low-flow shower head or take shorter showers. This can cut water use in half. Also fix any leaky faucets. Showers, showers. Do you know what is the meaning of showers? Showers, okay? Use a lot of waters in 1 week. A typical American family uses as much water as a person drinks in 3 years. Buy a special low flow shower head. This is called low flow shower head. Or take shorter showers. This can cut water use in half. Also fix any leaking. Do you know what the meaning of leaking? Having holes or cracks. Having holes or cracks that allows a liquid or gas to escape. And what is the meaning of faucets? Faucets. It's like a tap, yes, tap. Then read this statement, then write the advice from the article that each person should follow. 1. Stephen always takes long showers in the morning. What do you think? What we should tell him and what we can say? Yes, Stephen should buy a low flow shower head and take shorter showers. Then, in the winter, Ralph keeps the heat turned up all day. Wow. Ralph should turn down the heat during the day. Matt buys the newspaper every day but never reads it. Matt should think before he buys it. Stuart drives to work but his office is near his home. Oh. Stuart should walk or bicycle to work. Joe leaves the lights on at home all the time. Why this? Chilla should buy bulbs that use less energy and remember to turn lights off. Okay guys, thank you very much.